Hi, I'm Dr. Sujata. In this video, we'll be talking about prevention of glaucoma. We all know glaucoma is a silent killer. So the damage that has happened. You cannot reverse the damage. You can only prevent the further damage of optic nerve. All the people above 40 years of age need to undergo regular eye checkup and screen for glaucoma. Patients who are diabetic, hypertensive, who are having a family history of glaucoma, then having refractory error like myopia or hypermetropia, after the age of 40 years should go for regular screening of glaucoma. Once you're diagnosed with glaucoma, you should follow the instructions of using eye drops regularly and an yearly eye examination. If your glaucoma is not controlled by medication, your ophthalmologist will advise you for surgery. Now, after surgery, you need to follow certain instruction. This will allow fast healing and recovery. Take enough rest. Any surgery requires a patient to rest well. Make sure you use the eye drops prescribed by your doctor. This is very important as eye drops can play a major role in glaucoma treatment. In fact, you cannot even stop using the prescribed drops without consulting your ophthalmologist. Last but not least, consume a proper diet as suggested by your doctor. Do not lift heavy weights post surgery. Do not bend too much or strain, and avoid applying makeup to your eye or face. Besides all this, even if you haven't got the disease, regular eye examination are essential, especially when you have reached the age of 40. Maintaining good immunity with a balanced diet and wearing glasses for near or far sightedness also help. Know your family history to know if anyone has had the disease and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Be careful that you don't use eye medication without consulting a doctor. And of course, avoid prolonged exposure to TV, mobile, or computer screens. Do not ignore any discomfort happening in your eyes. In summary, we can say that glaucoma is a lifelong disease. You will need to take care of your eyes forever once you have caught the disease. So, it is always better to take enough precaution and follow the do's and don'ts. Watch more of our videos on glaucoma, links to which you can find the description below. They'll give you a better insight into what glaucoma is and how you can treat it effectively.